You got me jumping like
boom shakalaka, boom shakalaka, boom shakalaka, boom shakalaka, boom shakalaka, boom shakalaka.
wanna hold you down.
Boom shakalaka, boom shakalaka, boom shakalaka, boom shakalaka, boom shakalaka, boom shakalaka.
Wanna hold
Good morning guys, it's Samantha here and this is my first vlog ever, which is super exciting. Today is going to be a super exciting day. Me and my family are going to the Hamptons. We're going to be going to like a chalk festival first, and then we're going to be going to my beach house probably and walking around the beach, and then we're going to be going to town and like getting dinner and ice cream and shopping and stuff, so it's going to be super fun. It is currently 11:13 a.m. I already like got dressed and everything and straightened my hair, but I have to do my makeup, so I'm gonna go do that and video it and bring you guys along, and then we're gonna have some breakfast and get going.
world for us two with you in the middle.
Yo. So I'm pretty much done with my makeup. I might touch it up a little later, like for dinner in town, but this is like just what I did. We're leaving soon. It's now currently 11:36. We were supposed to leave at 11:30, but like my family never leaves on time. I have to eat breakfast. I also have to like pack, so I'm going to go do that. I just packed and now it's time for breakfast. So I have these protein pancakes with coconut and blueberries and bananas and some cantaloupe or honeydew, whatever that is, honeydew. Now I'm just gonna eat this and then we're gonna go. Hey guys, so we just got into the car and the road trip is gonna be like a little over an hour, so it's gonna be kind of long. There's my brother. We go to the Hamptons every year, and I haven't been there since like August, September, so I'm really excited to go because like it's like my second home. We just parked and we're at the fair. Kind of like a festival actually. Like, he's taking a picture of me, I'm taking a picture of him. Yeah! We're here. This place is so cool, guys. Like, it's so cute. It's like a cute town and everything. And then this is all the materials that we got. My hands like are already getting all full of chalk, as you guys see, and I didn't even start drawing yet. So cool. Some of these drawings are really cool. So everyone at this festival is like assigned a square, and like that's where like you draw. But we're trying to find it, and we've been looking for like 20 minutes. So this is the square. We finally found it after like who knows how long. Now we're gonna start drawing, and you guys will see what I'm drawing. So I just finished drawing and this is what it looks like. I did seasons. So this one is summer, this one is fall, that's spring, and that one is winter. And then there's Matthew's. I don't know if he's done yet. He did dessert and this is the whole thing, and it was fun. Now we're turning the chalk, so sad. That was fun. Literally just took 20 minutes to get all of the chalk off. I had chalk all over it. I wore a white shirt today, so thank God like it didn't get like on my white shirt, but it actually like got everywhere except my white shirt for some weird reason. So I'm getting hungry, so we're gonna go get food because it's festival and festivals have good food. We decided to get sweet potato fries, and they are actually like really, really good. We just finished at the festival. All right, now we're going to head over to my beach house. So we just stopped off at a pizza place because my dad and uncle were hungry, and this is it. It's actually a really cute place. They have like little palm trees and stuff. So we're gonna take some pictures.
Look what you've done to me. How blessed as I can be. So much in love with you.
We're literally like 2 minutes away. I'm so excited. So excited, so excited. We're here.
Good.
So now is my least favorite part, unpacking everything. We're here. Oh no, I just dropped my shoe. I'm dropping everything. I'm gonna give you guys a little tour, but I'm not gonna show the whole house just for like privacy reasons. And also like I'm not trying to like brag with this and stuff. This is actually like requested. It's kind of like my whole family's beach house. Like we all come here. We've had it for like a really long time, so it's like a tradition to come. It's kind of like a vintagey house, as you guys will see in like 2 seconds. But let's just go and get onto the tour.
Guess it's much for you, but I hope that you pick me.
That is about it for the little tour. I just decided we're not going to walk down to the beach because it's kind of windy and it's like getting later, so it's getting colder. But there is like a little bay down that way, like down the block. So we're going to walk down there. Whoa, 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 the car chased me. Oh my god. We are back and now I have to get ready to go for dinner. So this is my outfit of the night. So I'm wearing the same bralette from Mandy's, this romper from Forever 21, this kimono thing also from Forever 21. Oh, you can't see my shoes. And then oh my god, I'm gonna fall. These shoes also from Mandy. That's my outfit. We just got to town. I'm so excited. It's such a cute town. Our food is here. I think this is mine. Yep. So I got these black bean fajitas. I mean enchiladas. We just lost my dad and brother. I have no idea where they went. So now we have to walk all around town looking for them. Oh my god, there's Ben & Jerry's. I need Ben & Jerry's. Ben & Jerry's is so good, like even if you have it out of the store, but like when you actually go to the real like Ben & Jerry's store, and oh, so good. Guys, we're in a card store and look how cute this is. I'm pretty sure I was a mermaid in a previous life. I need this. Oh my god. You mermaid my day. I need these. I'm debating if I should get this one or if I should get this one. I think I'm leaning towards this one. It's so dark right now. It's night now, but that is the end of our Hamptons adventure. We're now in the car and we're leaving town now. We just got ice cream and walked around for a little bit, but I really had a great time and I hope that you guys like this, and I can't wait to do more vlogs in the future. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in my next vlog. Also make sure to check out my main channel, which will be linked down below. Bye guys.
Keep me straight. Got you in my system. Yeah, I've been waiting. Show me to your kingdom. A million miles away. Yeah, I'm already gone.